Hey there, car enthusiasts. We're here at the annual Fort Dodge, Iowa Car Show, and boy, do we have a treat for you today. We're not just checking out some amazing classic cars, we're about to make some dreams come true with a jaw-dropping giveaway. That's right, we're talking millions of dollars, folks. As we stroll through the rows of gleaming chrome and polished paint, you can feel the excitement in the air. The Fort Dodge Car Show never disappoints, and this year is no exception. We've got everything from muscle cars to elegant vintage rides, each one a piece of automotive history. Let's take a closer look at some of these beauties. But wait, there's more. We're not just here to admire these classic cars, we're about to change some lives in a big way. Now you might be wondering, how does one get their hands on this life-changing cash? Well, stick around, because we're about to reveal all the details. But first,
Still ain't saying no giving away $1 million. Yeah.
I think they're both worth about the same. I think my flag's worth more.
Oh, can't get them.
Fresh off the printer.
Yep, fresh off the printer. I just want to give you one.
I
Check
want to see it.
on YouTube.
I do. Yeah, come on in there, guys. I'm taking a big group picture here.
Oh.
Oh, there you go. I like it. Wonderful. Thank you for coming out. My name's Casey. I'm the owner of the dealership.
Oh, hello, Casey.
Appreciate you coming.
That's for you, Casey.
Oh, nice.
We've been here many times, Casey.
I just gave you $1 million.
I
Casey.
appreciate that. You know, it doesn't go as far as it used to. Thank you.
Yep.
look at those clean lines and that two-tone paint job. It's a true American classic, folks. And speaking of American classics, we're about to make another dream come true. The crowd is going wild, folks. People can't believe what they're seeing. We're changing lives right here at the Fort Dodge Car Show, and it's an incredible sight to behold. But hold on to your hats, because we've got one more surprise up our sleeves. We're going to be giving away even more millions, but you'll have to stay tuned to find out how and to whom. If you're a fan of classic cars, big surprises, and life-changing moments, then you won't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, car lovers, are you ready for the moment you've all been waiting for? It's time to start giving away some serious cash. We've got a team of helpers here with oversized checks, and they're ready to make some dreams come true. Until then, keep dreaming big and driving those classics.
No, you didn't either.
The excitement is palpable here at the Fort Dodge Car Show. People are cheering, cars are honking, and the energy is through the roof.
Oh, your guy saying in the 70s, Thunderbird.
Yeah.
Oh, Thunderbird. I don't see my thing here. Pontiac. That car looks like a Marshall Foxy one. Yeah. It used to have a Foxy on it. Yeah, Cadillac. 59. But you got a 57, I think. But this in good shape. They ain't like yours.
Those tail fins are so tall, I think they might actually touch the clouds.
The wings thing. Did we go down there?
Yeah, that's where you could go down this road, right?
Okay, we just did the whole show, huh?
Who knows? Maybe next time you'll be the one walking away with millions. We've got plenty more car shows, giveaways, and surprises coming your way. You won't want to miss a single moment.
So what is this one?
Our commander, Tom.
That is nice. Cadillac. Yeah, that open to see that. Hey!
Where's yours at? Where's your little...
Here for the veterans. Come on, I tell you.
Oh, it's way back.
over there.
Are you in the show?
In the show.
Oh, okay.
I just parked it and I just walked around.
All right. Then.
Frame it? What?
It's $1 million.
What am I going to do with it?
Go to my website. see right there.
That's all it says.
YouTube video, Super Mix Master video.
You need to make it bigger.
Well, I want you to see the $1 million. You're supposed to go, $1 million.
Yeah, look at it. Even if it's $10, I still ask.
You can't spend it though.
I know exactly.
See, you have to look at it. You have to read it, what it says. See, turn it down.
So we asked
It says,
Supermax Nixon.
yeah, what it says there.
AI.
so then we called
AI.
just a particular note. Fort Dodge, Iowa is the first organization in the country to get approval. So first American.
Home off the sandwich. Oh, you play a game with it. That's a nice looking one there. Huh? Smiling for the camera? I say, are you smiling for the camera? You might see yourself.
Look at that long station wagon.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I was thinking it was a girls group. Motorcycle. I was thinking it was a girls gang, you know. Then he took his. He took his.
It's still the little girl in the Kawasaki. Yeah, I'm the better one.
Oh, yeah, Kawasaki. Since you the better one.
Am I going good, better, best? No.
Decent,
Oh,
better, best.
Oh, I better give you a color one. Oh.
We've grown up together.
Okay.
You just won that.
Woo! Thank you.
$1 million.
Buy another bike.
And don't forget, it's actually, you see what it is?
Yeah.
AI money, and you can go to this YouTube website.
Perfect. I'll check it out. Thank you. Just a little one.
Mm-hmm. Who's that guy there? Sitting there. Is that Al?
I don't think so.
I gotta see who he is. Hi, is this your car? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
Lance Lockman.
Lockman.
Yes.
I know Al.
Yep, that's my cousin. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Lockman. Okay. Nice, real nice ride, I say.
Thank you.
So you just won $1 million. Go to the YouTube site, channel.
Perfect. Perfect.
Super Big. All right. And guess what? For you, since I saw you when I came in. Guess what you just won? $1 million. There you go. It's AI money, so you can't spend it. But go to my YouTube site, YouTube Super Mix Master Videos, and you might see yourself. So, so we are on the way out right now. And are you the last on the line?
Where's Billy at?
Bill? I know, I don't see him.
I used to see him out and about all the time.
Oh,
Right, I told him we were coming.
Are you Otis?
Yep.
Oh, there you go, Otis. Last one on the line. You just won $1 million. So just go to the channel, YouTube channel, Super Mix Master Videos.
I'm tell Bill I saw you.
Okay, Otis.
Bring that convertible out.
Oh yeah, he should have. He never do. I don't think so. He didn't have
Remember, in the world of classic cars and big dreams, anything is possible. Keep those engines revving, and we'll see you next time for more automotive adventures and life-changing moments. Who knows? Maybe next time you'll be the one walking away with millions. This is the Super Mix Master saying goodbye for now. But stay tuned for more excitement coming your way in the next video soon. We're not just here to admire these classic cars, we're about to change some lives in a big way. Well, we've seen some of the most beautiful classic cars in the country right here at the Fort Dodge Car Show. If you're a fan of classic cars, big surprises, and life-changing moments, then you won't want to miss what's coming next. We'll be back soon with more amazing cars, more incredible giveaways, and more unforgettable moments. And remember, you never know when your life might change in the blink of an eye. It could happen right here at the Fort Dodge Car Show. Even more surprises to come. Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got plenty more car shows, giveaways, and surprises coming your way. You won't want to miss a single moment. This is your host, signing off from the Fort Dodge Car Show.